Today we're introducing our inline flying laser marking system designed for production lines. The machine features a compact structure and is easy to integrate into existing workflows. Installation is simple and efficient, allowing quick setup on conveyors and automated lines. During operation, the system performs high-speed marking on moving products, delivering clear and consistent results without stopping production. Ideal for serial numbers, date codes, QR codes, and logos. This solution helps improve efficiency and traceability in modern manufacturing. If you're looking to upgrade your production line with reliable laser marking, feel free to contact us for more information.